Ho, 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 everyone. I hope you're all having a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy whatever it is you celebrate. I hope you're enjoying this time of year. And I really hope Santa put one of these underneath or in your stocking or under your tree or however you would have liked to receive it. Amazon's had a great discount on these things. Boxing Day is coming up and they're going to have another discount on these Amazon Fire Sticks. If you don't have one, get one today and follow along. Once you have your account set up and everything's brought up onto your Amazon page, I'm going to need you to download a couple files in order to get these great applications on your Fire Stick. Let's go to the search icon, type in downloader, or if you have a Alexa voice, just click it and say downloader. And it'll bring it right to you. Download it, install it, and get it. Once you have it installed, once you have downloader installed, we're going to need to jailbreak it in order to sideload some applications. So go over to the search icon, come on down to My Fire TV. If you do not have developer options enabled or available, click on About and then My Fire TV. No need, now you're a developer. Go into developer options, turn on ADB debugging, install unknown apps, turn on downloader. And that's it. Piece of cake. Let's head over to downloader. In downloader, just in the URL code area, type in 370.178. This will give us a quick access to our Led by the Unknown website. After the quick 5-second redirect, click on the 3-line button of your remote, add current page to favorite so we don't have to wait for that redirect anymore. And now we're saved and ready to go. Now guys, down on the downloads page we have a bunch of how-tos, added videos within it in order to serve you better. Here under the movies, TV shows, and live apps, we can click on like Awesome, Pluto, Zumo, Peacock, The Zone. Let's do Fossum today. Fossum's got some great Christmas movies on it if you're looking for those. We can install. Then we hit done and delete the APK file because we no longer need it. Now guys, if we go to the home screen, come across to your apps and games icon, the 3 squares plus sign, and we find Fossum on our Fire TV stick. Yes, some of these apps are available on the Amazon Fire Stick, but some may not be, okay? And as you can tell, we got a bunch of movies. Let's peruse the Fossum Christmas movies. And you can tell if you're looking for movies, Christmas movies, here you go. Alright, ooh, even some Krampus. Cramp. Boom, 12 dogs. 12 dog days. There's a bunch of stuff, guys. Alright, perfect. Hope you enjoy. Happy holidays. Keep streaming. Take care. Peace.